Good day, community. Our character trait for today is honesty. What is the meaning of honesty? Being honest means to say and do things that are true and right. Being honest is pleasing in God's sight. Where can you find this character trait? This character trait is found in Proverbs chapter 12, verse 22b. The Lord is pleased with those who tell the truth. This character trait is shown in the story when Jacob cheated. Now, let me tell you the story. When Isaac was very old and could not see well anymore, he called his oldest son. Esau, I want to bless you and give you all that I have, but first prepare me a meal. Esau went hunting for the meal. When he was gone, his younger twin brother Jacob played a trick on him. He made his voice sound like Esau's and put furry stuff on his arms to make them feel like his brother. Jacob brought a meal to his father and said, I'm back. You can bless me now. Isaac gave Jacob the blessing which he had intended to his older son. Esau came home to find out that Jacob had lied, cheated, and stolen the blessing. I'm mad. I'm very mad, he shouted. I'm scared, very scared, said Jacob as he ran to another country. Being dishonest put him in a very difficult situation. Can kids like us practice honesty? Of course we can. We can do it in our daily activities. First, when we did something wrong, we should tell our parents about it. Second, we should practice honesty by returning lost things that are not ours. Lastly, we are honest when we keep our eyes on our papers during tests in school. Again, the character trait for today is honesty. And also a reminder, let's be honest, even if no one is watching. And let us do it regularly. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.